Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove video from favorites on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up TikTok app and then right here tap at profile icon. Now you might have noticed that there are some different icons right here at that bar, and if you tap on that icons it will show you different kind of categories of your saved videos. So here you can find your private videos. There you can find kind of your bookmarks that may include videos, collections, sounds, effects, places, comments, questions, hashtags, and products. The next tab is your reports. So now you are able to find the video you have reposted on TikTok, and also there is that tab with that heart icon that include kind of liked videos, and you can add or remove new videos in each category. So if you want to remove video from liked videos, you can just open up some video and then just hit at that highlighted heart icon to unlike it, and that removes this video from here. Also, you can tap at that bookmark icon, and in the same way you can open up some video and then tap at this highlighted bookmark icon to remove this video from your bookmarks. That's how it works. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.